Hi friends, this video series will cover the basic admin questions, that is SAP BO admin questions that gonna help you in as SAP BO admin interviews. So in this video I'm gonna share few basic questions. This is only part 1, so please subscribe my channel so that in the future when I upload new videos you will get notification. So let's get started. Okay, explain about the server architecture in your project. So this is the most important question because you should know about the server architecture of your project. What all servers are used in your project, how many CMS, how many Webby servers, how many adaptive processing servers. You should know about the count, and you should know whether it is your clustered environment or whether it is a standalone environment. So you should know this. Which operating systems you have worked upon. So operating systems can be like Windows, Linux, Unix. So you should know that what all operating systems you have worked upon, what all operating systems data servers had used, how many users are there in a system. So to know this, you can log into CMC, and you can check in the users section that how many users are there in your system, how many users are using SAP BO. So this they ask these questions to know that how big is your project, whether it's a small project, is a small user based project, or it's a large user based project. So you should know this before going for an interview. How many BO admins are there in a project? So these questions are interrelated. So if you have said that okay, we are a large setup and all 3000 users or 4000 users, then obviously there can't be one BO admin. Obviously there will be 2 to 3 or whatever, 10, 5, 10 BO admins. So you should know about the team structure, and you should know about the count of BO admins in your project. Which versions of SAP BO business objects you have used. So the versions which you have worked upon, it can be SAP BI, it can be XIR2, then it can be XIR2, XIR3, then 3.1 versions, then 4.x versions. So what all versions you have worked upon, you should list that. Which version you are currently supporting. So what all version you are supporting, you should remember the exact version, the support pack, the patch level, and the hotfix. Because as a BO administrator, you should know about the version you are supporting. Then the next question can be difference between support pack, patch, and hotfix. Obviously, if you have stated the exact version, then you should know the difference between support pack, patch, and hotfix. So support pack is your it includes new features and new platform support, and it also includes large groupings of bug fixes. Patch is small groupings bug fixes, and they are always associated with a support pack. So you can't directly install a patch. You first need to install the appropriate support pack, and then with respect to that you should install the patch. Then hotfix are it includes high priority issues are fixed with the hotfix, and hotfixes are always released for a particular issue, and they are released on a demand basis. So that's it.